Welcome to the presentation on repairing the generator slide on a Safari Continental 2000. This is for an Onan 7.5 generator diesel, so it's quite heavy. I don't know whether this was the slide was damaged because it was incorrectly set up or it's just poorly built. But the bottom slide that connects to the release mechanism there was bent downwards, as you can see in this picture. So what I did was take a jack and bend it upwards vertically. That wasn't very difficult to do. You can see here it's all straightened up and it's the way it should be. The more difficult part was straightening it in the horizontal plane. For that I used a hydraulic ram system, and the difficult part was finding something to lever it against, but that was done and it worked fine. Once that was done, of course, it would just bend again unless it was strengthened. So I put in two L-channel reinforcing bars across the front there, and I welded it. And you have to make sure you remove the battery cables. I took both negative and positive off, and the VIM connector for the Allison transmission, or it can be damaged if you're welding on the frame. So anyway, I did that and there was no problem. You can see even with it being stiffened, when it was coming out, the point catches on the top of the release mechanism. I think it's just a bad design. So what I did was to take a washer and weld that onto the release mechanism to give it a bit of a rounded surface on it. I did that on both sides, as you can see here, and then filled it in a bit with the welding to strengthen it. So that was installed. Now you can see it as it comes out. When it's going forward, it lifts the release mechanism. It clears that small ramp that you can see on the right-hand side. You just go a little ways out and come back again. Before, when this was being done, it would catch and the whole motorhome would shudder in the front end and wobble all over the place. And it was really badly put together. So, and I'm sure it would have, damaged that slide motor after a certain point. So there it is, a simple fix, but it works quite well.